Plane angle. What is a plane? It is a flat surface on which a straight line joining any 2 points on it that would wholly lie. So it is the angle between the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. The SI unit of plane angle is radian and it is denoted by RAD. You can observe the picture. So from this you can easily understand the plane angle. So we have angle theta here. The angle theta between the intersection. What is intersection? Intersection is the act or process of crossing or passing. The two straight lines crossing each other, that point is called as intersection. So the angle formed between the crossing of two straight lines, that is the intersection of two straight lines or planes, is known as plane angle. I am repeating once more, listen carefully. You can see the two straight lines crossing each other, the point which they are joining, that is called as intersection. So intersection is the act or process of crossing or passing. So when two straight lines crossing each other, that point is called as intersection. So the angle formed between the crossing of two straight lines, that is the intersection of two straight lines or planes, is only known as plane angle. So the angle theta is between the intersection, that is only is called as plane angle. So the SI unit of plane angle is what? The SI unit of plane angle is radian and it is denoted by RAD. So what is the unit for measuring this plane angle? That only we are going to discuss. It is radian. So radian is a unit for measuring the angles that we mainly use in trigonometry. So we use instead of the degrees, whereas a full sphere or circle, if it is of 360 degrees, a full sphere is about 6 radians. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. Radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle. We are considering a circle. So you can see there we have a radius r and we have subtended from the center. What is subtend? A line or arc form an angle at a particular point when the straight lines from its ends are joined at that point. So that angle, the angle which we subtend from the center, that arc is equal to the radius of the circle. So that is only is called as a radian. So already we know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So if it is 1 radian, it is equal to 180 degree over pi. Consider a part of circle that subtends an arc ds, and the angle d theta is called as plane angle and it is measured in radian. The relation between the d theta, ds and radius r is given by the expression d theta is equal to ds upon r. If ds is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1, then the arc length is equal to radius, then the angle subtended is 1 radian. D theta is equal to 1 radian. answer to the questions. What is plane angle? It is the angle between the intersection of two straight lines or intersection of two planes. What is the SI unit of plane angle? Did you say radian? Yes, that was right. The answer is radian. The SI unit of plane angle is radian. What is 1 radian? 1 radian is equal to 180 degree over pi. Next, we are about to discuss solid angle. It is the angle formed by 3 or more planes intersecting at a common point. So, in the case of plane angle, we saw it is the intersection of two straight lines or two planes. So now in solid angle, it is the angle formed by 3 or more planes which is intersecting at a common point. It can also be defined as angle formed at the vertex of the cone. So SI unit of solid angle is steradian and it is denoted as SR. So now we are going to see about the definition of steradian. Steradian is the solid angle at the center of a sphere subtended by a portion whose surface area is equal to the square of its radius of the sphere. Look at the picture over here. It explains about steradian. We have a sphere and from the center of the sphere, the subtended portion, we have a surface area. So this surface area is equal to the square of the radius of the sphere. Consider a part of three-dimensional sphere such that it subtends and surface area dA with a radius r and a solid angle d omega. Actually, it is omega and a. Since it is a very small value, we take it as d omega and dA. The relation between d omega, dA and radius r can be given by the expression d omega is equal to dA by r square. Steradian is the unit of the solid angle when dA is equal to 1 and the radius r is equal to 1, then the solid angle subtended is 1 steradian. Yes. So we discussed about plane angle and solid angle. We are going to see what is the difference between a plane angle and a solid angle. So the first one is plane angle. It is the angle between the intersection of two lines or planes, whereas solid angle, it is the angle between 3 or more planes at a common point. The plane angle, it is two-dimensional and solid angle, it is three-dimensional. Unit of plane angle is a radian and unit of solid angle is steradian. These are the three differences between a plane angle and solid angle. Until 1995, plane angle and solid angle were classified under supplementary